Hello guys, my name is Dimpi Pradhan and I have found a 3D image of Kedarnath Cave Temple. This temple is situated in the Himalayan range near Mandakini River in Uttarakhand. So we are going to talk about the carvings and architecture of this temple. So starting from the entrance, see, this is the entrance of the temple from where we can enter and exit, and this is the Garbhagriha of this temple. See, here I'm rotating the screen for you, and outside of this Garbhagriha, there is a mandap. We can see a hall which is made for the pilgrims to gather for the prayers and other functions. And from this entrance, we can enter the main architecture of this temple, that is the Garbhagriha, and we can found our idol, our main shrine, that is the Lord Shiva. This is one of the most important linga from the 12 ling, and it is made normally without more decorations or more carvings. This is simple lingam, and it is made up of stone. There are four pillars surrounding the lingam, and we can see the three of them. One is totally vanished, and other three, we can see the other three pillars. Two of them are broken half. The tip of the pillars are hanging into the roof, and the fourth pillar is in good condition. We can see the carvings. We can see the width and the length we can see in the other three also, sorry. And the roof, okay, the roof of this cave is not well flourished, but it is when it is made at that time, we can imagine, we can predict that it may be well flourished. And the second thing is, this temple is in pyramidal shape. We can say it's Rekha Shikhar style. It is in Rekha Shikhar style. The top of the temple is in pyramidal shape, and we cannot see that pyramid from inside because it is flattened from inside the Garbhagriha. But when we go to the outside, and we can see the whole view of this temple in Rekha Shikhar style. So at the side of this idol, we can find a gate which is probably closed, and beside it there is some carvings, might be of Shiva Parvati or of Pandavas. It is said that Pandavas had made this temple, so might be the carving is of Pandavas, and there's a linga in between them. And on the other side, there is no such carving is found. We can see a flat wall. Most of the rocks are been ruined because of temperature, heat, and light, and obviously due to time. And there are 5 gates in this, and there's some depth, you can see here, from where we can just bath and come like this. I don't know, it is made or it is due to natural calamities or what. So this is the temple of our Lord Shiva, and there is few parts of this temple like mandapa and Garbhagriha, and other deities are found in this cave or temple. We cannot see this completely in this image because it is of Garbhagriha only. If I suggest you to go and visit this temple, so to have the whole look of this temple, whole sculptures, carvings, and you can see the beauty of this temple with your own eyes. So this is the name of this account, India the Land of Heaven, which is in Facebook. You can visit this page and see other beautiful places of our India. Thank you.